Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the right app and permissions. This is fundamental. Install a dynamic island emulator like Dynamic Spot, then immediately grant notification access so alerts can appear. Next, allow draw over other apps and accessibility features. These let the overlay show and interact. Pick a launcher that supports persistent overlays or confirm your current launcher won't kill background services. Once done, open the app and proceed to the configuration screen. This prepares your system for the custom island behavior. Now you tune how the island looks and reacts so it feels native. Start by setting width, height, corner radius, and the horizontal position. These control visibility and obstruction. Then map notification categories, calls, media, timers to distinct behaviors because different alerts need different layouts. Adjust animation speed and haptic feedback so interactions feel responsive. Make sure app-specific bubbling is enabled for music and calls, and confirm privacy toggles to hide sensitive content when locked. This prevents accidental data exposure. Finish by integrating the island into daily use and validating reliability. Test incoming calls, music playback, and timer alerts to confirm correct visuals and actions. Then whitelist the app from battery optimization and enable its persistent service so the overlay isn't killed. This ensures continuity. If something breaks, reboot your phone, re-grant notification and overlay permissions, and check for overlay conflicts from other apps. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable other floating apps. This often resolves Z-order and tap capture problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.